We should have a scrum down and sing some dirty songs. I know this really good one about an Eskimo. Either of you two wimps got any ideas?
Wimp. I'll have you know I recorded 41 frags on Neptune once.
We could try the old overcome the guards trick. All we need is one of us to pretend to be sick or something.
I'll punch Rupert in the stomach.
You haven't got any arms, remember?
Okay. I'll kick Rupert in the stomach then.
Rupert is in a lot of pain.
101011101111101. That means ah in binary.
You think you can hear the guard coming?
He said coming.
We'll wait for him to arrive and then point out the comatose Rupert.
The guard has arrived and enters the cell to have a look at him.
I'm going to grab a handy weapon in my teeth and hit him.
What are you going to grab?
Scott.
Hey!
Okay, you deal the guard a heavy blow with Scott. Scott is in a lot of pain and the guard is unconscious.
You bastard!
Okay, let's get out of here.
Unfortunately, neither Rupert nor Scott are in any fit state to move.
I'll grab Rupert if Knock can get Scott.
I'll grab Scott with me teeth again.
Okay, you run.
I insist on yomping.
Okay, Dave runs and Knock yomps down a long, dimly lit corridor.
What is yomping anyway?
It's like running, but louder, I think.